Hello everyone, my name is Pritam and welcome to the lecture 3 of MATLAB. Okay, here in this video we will be talking about matrices and magic squares. Okay, what are the matrices? We will be talking about this. Okay, first of all about matrix. In the MATLAB environment, a matrix is a rectangular array of number. Special meaning is something attached to one by one matrices, which are scalars, and to matrices both numeric and non-numeric data. But in the beginning it is usually best of think of everything as a matrix. I will show you, don't worry. The operations in MATLAB are designed to be natural as possible. Okay, where other programming languages work with numbers once at a time, MATLAB allows you to work with entire matrices quickly and very easily. Okay, I will be showing you. Okay, first of all, how to declare a matrix. Okay, before this, let me tell you that. Okay, if I write a variable where a equal to 5, okay, here 5 is not an integer. In MATLAB, it is not an integer. In C programming or C++, Java, Python, in every kind of programming languages, it can be used as an integer. But here in MATLAB, there is no special data types. There is only one data type, which is double precision matrix. Okay, here you can see that A is a one by one double precision matrix. Okay, that's why it has only one row, one column. That means one element only. Okay, so in case of integer it is okay, but when we will be declaring matrix, okay, then the scenario will be changed. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so how to declare a matrix? First one is separate the elements of a row with blanks or commas. Okay, now use a semicolon to indicate the end of each row. Okay, now surround the entire list of elements with square brackets. Okay, let me show you. For example, b equal to, using third bracket. Okay, 1 space 2 space 3 space 4. Okay, these are 4 elements in a single row. Why? Because they are separated by space, as I have mentioned here. Okay, separate the elements of a row with blanks and commas. Now after that, put a semicolon and go into the another row, and after that 5 6 7 8, there are 4 elements. Okay, I want to make a 3 by 4 matrix. Okay, 3 by 4. Okay, where there will be 3 rows and 4 columns, and after that another semicolon, and I can say 9 0 1 2. Okay, after that third bracket and put enter. Okay, here you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and then 9 0 1 2, there are 3 by 4 matrix. Okay, just double click here. Okay, 3 by 4 double precision matrix. Here you can see that all the values. Okay, 3 by 4 double precision matrix. Okay, now if I talk about another way of declaring matrix, where I can write that C equal to, okay, bracket 1 2 3, then you can put enter. Okay, without instead of semicolon you can put enter also, and after that 4 5 6, then again enter, 7 8 9, then semicolon, then enter. Okay, so here you can see that C equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, it is 3 by 3 double precision matrix. Okay, here you can see. Okay, so this is the way. Now we can also put comma here, na, as I have said here, you can put comma also. Okay, so let me show you. In third bracket 1 comma 2 comma 3, then enter 4 comma 5 comma 6, then enter 7 comma 8 comma 9, third bracket close, put and press enter, and here you can see D again. So D also a 3 by 3 double precision matrix, which is type is double. Okay, if you do not know what double is, so subscribe my YouTube channel, and I will be uploading more C programming videos. There I will discuss that data types. What are the data types? Already I have discussed, I think. You can go and check the C playlist, and there you can get to know that what is double data type actually. Okay, now Okay, and another one is okay, d equal to another approach is 1 2 3 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 semicolon 4 comma 5 comma 6 semicolon 7 comma 8 comma 9, then close the third bracket. Now if I put a semicolon here and enter, okay, no output has come due to the semicolon. Okay, if I write without semicolon, then output will be shown. Or if I write now E only, the output will be shown. Here all the datas have been saved in workspace. Okay, workspace is a place in MATLAB where all the data types which you have defined or declared, it will be saved. Okay, without deleting all these things, okay, you can easily use, you can easily recall. For example, let me recall A. Okay, A 5, B, C, D, E, all the data have been printed out again, okay, as they have saved in workspace. So this is the advantage of workspace in MATLAB, where every data would be stored. Okay, now there are some special type of matrices. Okay, first one is zeros. Okay, let me show you guys zeros. Now F equal to zeros 4 comma 5, that means 4 by 5 zero matrix will be printed out. Okay, you can see here 4 rows and 5 columns. Okay, now if you put zeros, one second. Okay, if you put here g equal to zeros only 5, okay, only 5, then 5 by 5 zero matrix would be printed out. Okay, now if you put h equal to zeros 11, so 11 by 11 zero matrix will be printed out. Okay, let me double click and you can see here that, okay, 0 by 0 double precision matrix has been stored. Okay, that's why in the first video I have told you guys that just think as a matrix only. Okay, it will be a matrix. Every data would be stored in the data structure which is used here. It is double precision matrix. Okay, I think you are quite clear now. Okay, and then ones. Okay, for example, j equal to ones 3 comma 4, all are ones. Okay, then k equal to ones only 4, then 4 by 4, then L equal to ones, for example 23 by 23, all the means all will be 23 by 23 means elements will be there. Okay, okay, it is much bigger, that's why it is it has been means distorted this kind of this. Okay, L equal to, let me show you guys, once 12. Okay, so 12 by 12. Okay, you can see here 12 by 12. Let me just double click here and you can see. Okay, okay, 12 by 12. Here row, number of row is 12, number of column is also 12. Okay, so you can see. Okay, now one, then rand. Okay, what is rand? Okay, let me tell you guys. Rand, okay, 4 by 4 matrix. Okay, so here you can see that every data, every element is between 0 and 1. Okay, rand, using rand we can do this thing, and using random. Okay, I will show you about random in an another video. I should not show you right now because there are some reasons you will get to know. Okay, I will describe the random function in an next in upcoming videos. Okay, in an upcoming video. So here these are some basic means information about matrix, how to declare, what are the types of matrix and all. Okay, I think you have enjoyed the video, and if it is informative, then share this video with your friends and subscribe my YouTube channel for more upcoming videos, and press the bell icon so that every video could be reached to you through notifications. Okay, before ending the video, I want to show you guys one thing. Here A, here B, here C, all the datas. Okay, variables. Okay, variable here. Okay, all the datas here. Okay, I'm just want to remove all the data. Okay, so clear all. This is the command. All the data has been destroyed or damaged or deleted. Here you can see that the variable ans doesn't exist. The variable a doesn't exist. Okay, so how to clear the command window? We have written lots of commands here. Okay, how to clear the command window? Okay, to clear the command window, write clc means clear screen. Okay, clc, so or clear command window. Okay, so here all the commands have been cleared. Okay, so this is the end of the video, guys, and if you like this video, share with your friends and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching video till the end.